Hello students. In the last video we discussed about coordinate geometry. So introduction of coordinate geometry we discussed. In that introduction we discussed some terms like coordinate axis, origin, quadrants and Cartesian plane, x coordinate, y coordinate and how to locate the things in the plane. So that we discussed in the last video. So now in this video we are going to discuss how to plot the point on the graph paper. So plotting of points on the graph paper, that we will discuss. So before discussing, so whatever in the last video we discussed, so how to solve the examples on that we will discuss. So see the first question. Find the coordinate of a point whose ordinate is 6 and lies on y-axis. Second, whose abscissa is -3 and lies on x-axis. So read the question carefully, student. Now see here what they ask and how to write the answer of that. So ordinate. In the first video we discussed what is ordinate. Ordinate is a y coordinate. And what is y coordinate? The perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis is called y coordinate, or another name is there, ordinate. So how to write the coordinate of this point? So y coordinate is given 6 and lies on y-axis. So sign convention we studied. If the point lie on the y-axis, so x coordinate becomes 0, and the point lie on the x-axis, y coordinate becomes 0. So according to that we will write the coordinate of this point. So first we will write x coordinate and then we will write y coordinate. So point lie on y-axis means x coordinate becomes 0 and y coordinate becomes 6. So what is the coordinate of first question? 0, 6. See, is there 0, 6? Same way second, whose abscissa is -3 and lies on x-axis. Lies on x-axis means y coordinate becomes 0. So y coordinate becomes 0. We wrote y coordinate. And abscissa means x coordinate. So x coordinate -3. So what is the coordinate of the point? -3, 0. Clear, student, how to write the coordinates of a point? Second example. In which quadrant can a point have? In which quadrant these points will lie? So that we have to write. Now first question, read question carefully. Abscissa equal to its ordinate. What is abscissa equal to its ordinate? Abscissa means x coordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate. Both are equal. Means 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, -2, -2, -3, -3. Like this. For example, I am writing -2, -2, 1, 1. So check it. These points will lie in which coordinate? Which quadrant? So both are negative, both are positive. Both are negative, both are positive means according to sign convention in axis we studied. So what is in the first quadrant? See, both coordinates are positive, and in third quadrant both coordinates are negative. This in the previous video I explained. So by using this both, see the example here. What is -2 comma -2 1 comma 1, because abscissa equals to its ordinate, both are equal. So in which quadrant the point will lie? First quadrant and third quadrant. See the answer is there, first quadrant and third quadrant. Clear, student? Now ordinate equal to magnitude of its abscissa. Ordinate means y coordinate. If you are taking y coordinate -3, so magnitude of this -3 is 3, means -3 3 comma -3. So in which quadrant it is lying? If 2 is there, so magnitude of 2 is 2. So in which quadrant this point will lie? In first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. All. Clear, students? Then third, ordinate equals to opposite of abscissa. How is the ordinate? Opposite of abscissa. Abscissa is -1. So what is the ordinate? +1. If abscissa is 1, so what is the ordinate? -1. Opposite. So this point will lie in which quadrant? Negative, positive. Negative, positive means second quadrant, and positive, negative means fourth quadrant. Means these points will lie second and fourth quadrant. Clear, students? Having any doubt? Okay. Now on next we will go. Third question. The perpendicular distance of a point from the y-axis is 3 units. Write the coordinates of point if lies in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So how to write the answer of this? So what is given? First we have to find the coordinate. What is the coordinate of this? So perpendicular distance of a point from y-axis means it is a x coordinate. So x coordinate it is given 3. So write the coordinates of point if lies in first quadrant. So how to write the coordinates in the first quadrant? I think this question is incomplete. Wait. Okay, students, see, one mistake was there in that question. The perpendicular distance of a point from the y-axis is 3 units and perpendicular distance from x-axis is 2 units. So perpendicular distance from x-axis means it is y coordinate, and perpendicular distance from y-axis means x coordinate. So what is the coordinate of this? 3, 2. This is the point. So this point lie in first quadrant means both are positive, 3, 2. Second quadrant means negative, positive means x coordinate negative, y coordinate positive, -3, 2. Third quadrant both are negative means -3, -2. And fourth quadrant x coordinate positive, y coordinate negative means 3, -2. So clear, students, how to locate that point in the quadrant? Then fourth, From the given, write following. This figure is given. So from this figure we have to write the answer of these questions. So first we have to read the figure carefully. Here points are locating with the dotted line. Whenever we will plot the points on the graph, so that points we have to plot with dotted line. So see here, this figure is given. Now question, coordinate of Q. What is the coordinate of Q? Where it is on the negative x-axis. So x coordinate first means -3 and lie on the x-axis means y coordinate 0, -3, 0. Understood first answer? Now second, the point identified by the coordinates 3, -4. Which point is representing this coordinate? So from 3 we have to draw perpendicular. See, 3. Perpendicular has to draw. Then -4, y-axis, -4. So wherever these two perpendiculars intersect, that is the point. So which point that? A. So this coordinates represented by point A. Clear student? Understood? Now next, abscissa of point R. Abscissa of point R, abscissa means x coordinate. So where is the R? Here. So x coordinate means which one? On x axis. So which point is representing? 4. So abscissa is 4. Then ordinate of point T. Where is T? Check it here. So ordinate means y coordinate means on the y axis. From T, draw perpendicular to the y axis. Which number is representing? That is the ordinate of T. What is? -5. See here. Now next, coordinate of point S. Where is S? Here. This point. We have to write the coordinate of this point. So draw perpendicular from S to y axis. Draw perpendicular from S to x axis. So first x coordinate has to write means -2. Then y coordinate means 4. -2, 4. Clear? Now last question. The point identified by coordinate 0, -3. So 0, -3. Where is 0? -3. So which point it is there? P. So P. Understood this? And now fifth question. In which quadrant or on which axis the point lie? So according to sign convention of the coordinate axis, 2, -1. Positive, negative. Positive, negative means fourth quadrant. Negative, positive means second quadrant. Negative, negative means third quadrant. Both coordinates positive means first quadrant. Then here y coordinate 0 means it lie on the x-axis. X coordinate 0 means lie on the y-axis. Understood students? Hope you understand this. So on this topic, one exercise is there. Exercise 3.2 from the textbook. It is a homework. Textbook exercise. Okay. Thank you.